Hi, this is Susan Stewart with Perfectly Placed, and we're on Facebook Live. Today we're going to be talking about some of the most common problems that I see in closets and how to solve those problems. So the first thing is shoe storage. Almost everyone's closet does not have enough space for shoes. So this is the Container Store's Elfa system, and what I love is these pull-outs, and you can get 6 pair of flat shoes on these, and you can get 9 pair of heels on these. So in this small amount of space, we can store 30 pairs of shoes with easy accessibility and being able to see them as well. Now, if you have plenty of room in your closet and you really want to show off your shoes and make it look more like a boutique, you can do something like this. So these are the angled shoe shelves, also part of the Elfa line at Container Store. And you can place your shoes like this, and it just looks beautiful. The second problem I see in closets is that most people have their undergarments in the dresser, which is inside the bedroom. So they get out of the shower, they walk into their bedroom to get their undergarments, and then they walk into the closet to get dressed the remaining way. What I love to do is incorporate drawers inside the closet so your closet can become more like a dressing room. I love the Elfa drawers. They have these new drawer fronts that make it look like it's a solid drawer. Inside these drawers, you can put dividers, and these also pop out. Now they've got holders on these, but they do come out if you need to take them out. They come in 3 sizes. This is the small and the medium, and there's also a larger one. Problem number 3 is jewelry storage. Most people have their jewelry stored in several places throughout the master bedroom and also in the bathroom. So enter the Elfa system. We've got jewelry drawers that are divided. You can get it with or without the lid. We've got 6 section areas that are great for bracelets. The smaller section are really good for the earrings. You can get as many little drawers as you need. So if you have more than that, you can get a second drawer. I also love having a mirror here and this extra tray. It just makes for more storage and a nice little place to put your jewelry on. And then I'm going to show you something in just a minute that's going to utilize this bare wall adjacent for your necklaces. So this is a utility board. They come in different colors, the white and the platinum. So if you have a white closet, obviously you can get this in white. And then they have a variety of hooks that you could put on here, and this would allow you to hang a number of necklaces in a small space. And it could be right on that wall adjacent to the mirror like I showed you in the other room. Thanks so much for watching.